Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mommies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial we will be working on this bureau that we painted a while ago but we don't vibe with it anymore. So we are going to repaint it
With some awesome bold colors from Dixie Belle, so stay with us if you want to see how we repaint it step by step.
Let's do it! I started to apply Mermaid Tail, the greatest steel shade, with a best time brush, and I dabbed the paint to create a soft texture. We did this all over the piece, and once we were done with it, we let it dry for about 2 hours before applying the second coat. Now for the second coat, we introduced some more colors, but first I just randomly applied Mermaid Tail again, and then I blended in some Limeade and dabbed the colors into each other to slightly blend them. I added pure ocean, but just a little bit here and there with a cheap brush. I really love how these three colors work together. Anyway, I applied some more limeade, I dabbed it, and I just did this all over the piece. After we finished painting, we let the bureau to sit in peace for 24 hours and then waxing time. We started with clear wax and circular motion all over the piece, and after 20 minutes I buffed off the excess with a piece of cloth. Now time for black wax. I applied the clear wax first so the black wax will be easy to move around and just not getting stuck in the paint. Again, in 20 minutes I buffed off the excess and we are done with waxing. Now I applied some pink on the handles and then I did some crazy drips. I watered the handles, applied paint, and then I tapped with my finger the harsh edges. I applied the pink after waxing so the color will stay super bold.
In about a week, we sealed this piece with 3 layers of flat clear coat, and because we waxed it first, we needed to let the wax cure before sealing with the top coat.
After the clear coat was cured, we also applied golden gilding wax, starting with the drawer's edges. They look stunning in gold, it's such a nice detail. I applied it on the handles as well, all with my finger, and basically I applied it on every single edge of this piece. And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more colorful furniture tutorials. See you next time, bye!